Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to learn a very good lesson, that is bones, muscles and nerves. The subject, as you all know, is science. Okay. Now first we will see about certain organs. Now organs function in our body with organ system. They cannot function alone. Like for example, we have our mouth. The mouth, after eating the food, from the mouth, with the help of the tongue, that is one organ. With the tongue we are rolling the food. Then after chewing the food with the help of the teeth, then we swallow the food. Then we have the food pipe. Then the food passes inside the food pipe. That is one kind of organ. Then it goes to the stomach. That is another kind of organ. Then it gets digested there and it goes to the intestines. Then it passes out. So as the food goes into the mouth, it passes through so many organs and then it comes out of the body as undigested food. So many organs are connected to one another. So it is called an organ system. Okay, organ system means many organs are connected to one another and they cannot do work if even one organ is not functioning properly. Okay, so that is called many organs together form the organ system. Did you understand here? Like for another example, for our breathing. When we breathe air into our nose, that is one organ, nose, then the air passes to the windpipe, then it goes to the lungs and exchange of gases takes place. Again the air which is not required, that is carbon dioxide, comes out through the windpipe and through the air from the nose. Okay, so that is another kind of organ system. Now today we are going to learn about three types of organ systems. First one is skeletal system. Okay, skeletal system consists of the bones. Then we have muscular system. Muscular system is all related to the muscles. Then we have nervous system. Nervous system is all the study about the nerves. Okay, the system which is involved there are the nerves. Okay, so first thing is the skeletal system. Now inside our body, just touch yourself. Okay, touch your fingers, press it hard. You can find one area where there is hard, something very hard. That hard thing is nothing but it is the bone. Now touch on your chest part. There also you can find something which is hard. That is also bones. If you touch your legs, there if you press, you will find hard thing, that is the bone. Okay, so all the bones from the head to the toe, okay, all are connected to one another. That is called as the skeletal system. These bones are connected to one another, forming a framework of bones. Okay, so it is called as a skeletal system. Now this skeletal system has got different functions in different things. Now the framework is very important in our body. Otherwise our muscles cannot hold our body. Even the flesh cannot, hold it. Okay, so if you don't have the bones in your body, you cannot stand, you cannot sit. You will be like a flesh on the floor. So your body collapses. Okay, so body collapses if there are no bones in our body. Next thing is the function of this skeletal system. It protects our organs which are inside our body. Those inside organs are called internal organs. Like for example, in our chest area, we are having certain organs which need to be protected. That is heart and lungs and also liver. Okay, so these three organs have to be protected. So they are protected by the bones in our chest. Okay, then there is one more very important organ in our head. What is that? Can you guess? It is the brain. So brain also is protected by the skull. Okay, that is the bone in the head. Then we have bone marrow. Now what is a bone marrow? You all must have eaten mutton. Yes? Now when you eat mutton, you will find bone. When you break that bone, what is there inside? There is something which is black, yes, or dark brown. That is the, you say in Urdu, gud. Yes, that is only the bone marrow. Okay, this bone marrow which is there inside our bones, that produces, you know what, WBCs and RBCs. They are one kind of blood cells. Then we have minerals. Now minerals like calcium and phosphorus are stored in the bones. Okay, so bones are very, very important. These are the functions of the bones. Understood, boys? Understood, students? Okay, yes. Now you can see here, this is called as the human skeletal system. As you can see this picture, from the head till the toe, okay, there is a framework of bones. All the bones are connected to one another. Now this kind of a system is known as the skeletal system. Okay, and where is the skeletal system present? Inside our body. You cannot see bones from outside. Can you see? No. It is covered by the skin and the flesh. Okay. So you all know now what is a skeletal system? Yes? Yes. Now you can see, you will learn how many bones are there in our body. Altogether from the head to our toe we have 206 bones. How many bones? 206 bones. Now this 206 bones are present in adults. Adults means those who are big. In children you will find a different system. The bones will be more. Okay. So when you are adults, at that time, like above 18 years old, then you will have the bones which are how many in number? 206 bones. Okay. And as you can see, the bones are of different shapes and size. Can you see here? This is the rib cage. Okay. The chest bones. The shape of the rib cage is different from the shape of the bones which are in the legs. Okay. The shape of the skull is different from the shape of the arms, bones in the arms. Okay. And even their size is different. Now you see here, the bones in the hand are smaller compared to the bones in the arms. So, the bones are of different shapes and sizes. Did you follow me? Okay. The bone in the head is known as the skull. Okay, the bone in the head is known as the skull. The bones in the chest are known as the rib cage. Okay, they are known as rib cage. Then the bones in the lower part of the chest, it is called as the vertebrae. Okay, what it is called? Vertebrae. That is the center part of the rib cage is called vertebrae. Then we have the bones in the arms. Between them there is a joint that is called as the radius. Okay. Now the bones here of the arms are called as the radius. Then we have the thigh bone. The thigh bone is known as, the upper thigh is known as the femur, and the lower leg is known as the, in the lower leg we have two bones. Okay, two bones. That is fibula and tibia. Okay, see here, there are two bones here. If you see, one side is the fibula and the other bone is the tibia. Okay, sorry, tibia. Fibula and tibia. Understood? Okay.